Welcome back to Take Apart. In today's video we will take a look at two identical but different radios from Baofeng. One on left is BF-5RH and on right side is BF-5RM. This one can receive airband frequencies. This box is from RH version, definitely one of the nicest Baofeng packaging I have seen. RM radio came in this box that clearly states that it can receive airband, but package is slightly less sexy. So let me turn them on and show you elephant in the room. Both radios are identical, but one on right side can receive aviation frequencies, also known as airband. Those are from 108 MHz to 136 MHz. But if I try to input airband frequency to the one on the left side, the radio is refusing to take it, despite that they are the same radios. This brings the question: if the Baofeng BF-5RH is limited by software, maybe it can be unlocked or modified to receive airband frequencies or even more. As you can see, even serial numbers are only 4 digits apart. I mean, they must be same internally, right? We will see, as I will take them both apart and compare all internal components. But first, if you're looking to get this Baofeng BF-5RH or RM, you have to get it from best shop on Aliexpress. Baofeng specialty radio store is the one. They have best customer support and even provided for you a $4 discount code. Take apart. Use it at checkout. I will not bother you with full disassembly process. I will show you only key points, and for sure I'll be releasing full teardown videos soon. So, to open Baofeng radio you have to unscrew antenna SMA connector. Tool for that is hidden in power/volume knob. So pull it out and use it to unscrew this special nut holding SMA antenna connector. Just like so. Unfortunately, nut holding power/volume potentiometer does not have tool hidden within radio, so I use tweezers and a little bit of force to unscrew that sucker of a nut. Alright, after you remove a few screws and you're ready to separate radio, be careful as there is a ribbon cable connecting two pieces together, so unlock connector and pull cable out. Done. Now the biggest letdown from engineers at Baofeng. Freaking speaker cable is soldered directly to the board. I mean, come on, simple Pico two-way connector would fix it. In order to separate main board from alloy shell, you have to pull and wiggle out antenna connector. And done. Now I have done same to the model with airband, and here are they, side by side. Straight up, you can spot few key differences, as speaker connector location, this hole in the middle and extra setup screw here. They are different, for sure. BF-5RH was built 21st of July 2023. Board version is 5RH10W-V03 and BF-5RM built 9th of October 2023. Board version is 5RB10W-V02. Yeah, let's see components. Top portions all the way down to the battery connector, they look about the same, but below the battery connector, they are freaking completely different. I'm sure there is no hack or unlock for them to be same. I will still get airband version as it is so much cooler. So, while I quickly assemble them back together, you should subscribe and also check my other videos. I should have their tutorials for Baofeng radios. All done, and I will test if all works as it should. Let's do 446.55 and transmit and receive test on both. Yeah, all works like new. These two radios will stay in my arsenal, and you can get yours at that link in description. Use coupon code TAKEAPART at checkout to get $4 discount. Thanks for watching and see you next time.